Alright guys, so let's head up to the attic in my garage to see what the dimensions are on the stock OEM exhaust system between the years of 2011 and 2016 on the Dodge Charger RT. Alright guys, welcome back to the exhaust graveyard. This is the exhaust from my 2014 Dodge Charger RT all-wheel drive and the two resonators from my 2016 Charger RT. So basically what I want to go through today is give you guys some of the OEM measurements throughout the stock exhaust. So first I'm going to start with the length between the flanges that go right off of the cats to the stock mufflers. So if you look there, it's about 35¼ inches. And then if you want to know the width, it is approximately 6 inches wide at the flanges, and it is 5½ inches wide with the 2¼ inch pipes. So then if we want to go back and see the, let's see, so that is about 6½ inches wide between the outside of that pipe and the outside of this pipe, and 2½ inches between the inside of that pipe and that pipe. So let's move on to the stock mufflers. So these are 9 inches wide by 4½ inches tall by approximately 17 inches. And the width between the front side of the stock mufflers is about 18½ inches. And the rear is and the width in the rear is about 20 inches. So that's the maximum amount of width that you'd have on the stock setup. And then if you guys are interested in any of the other dimensions, the length between the back of the muffler and the resonators, or the resonators themselves, please leave a comment below, and I will be glad to come up here and tell you guys. So I'll leave you guys with that, and hope you guys got something out of this. And actually, if we can, here is the part number on the OEM mufflers, 068091404AA. And let's leave it with that. Thanks guys.